All of you, this is a tutorial about super key. Super key is defined as candidate key plus 0 or more attributes. If you want to know about candidate key, please refer to the link in the video. Candidate key, to be precise, is a unique attribute in the table through which we are able to recognize each record separately, uniquely. Now, super key is defined as candidate key clubbed with 0 or more attributes. From this, we deduce that every candidate key is a super key. The reverse is true. That is, every super key cannot be a candidate key. From these two statements, we are deducing that minimal super key is the candidate key. Now, in order to understand better, let us take an example. Let us take an example of a table which has 3 attributes, that is employee ID, salary and employee name. Let the employee ID be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Salary be salaries in dollars, 40,000, 50,000, 40,000 and again 50,000. Let the name be Alex, Carol, Alex again, and some X. Now, we are able to find out that in employee ID, each record has a unique value. Therefore, it is a candidate key for this particular table. The salary is not unique since these two records and these two records have the same salary. Similarly, in the employee name attribute, 2 employees are there who have name as Alex. So, for this particular table, employee ID is the only candidate key. As per the definition of super key is candidate key clubbed with 0 or more attributes. Now, it can be 0 or more than 0 attributes. Now, let us list all the possible combinations which follow this particular definition, that is candidate key plus 0 or more attributes. That is, candidate key is EID plus, if I take 0 attribute, then EID is the super key. Candidate key plus I take 1 attribute, it can be either salary or employee name. Let us first take salary, which is a super key, and employee name separately, which is a super key again. Now, candidate key plus 0 attribute has been covered, plus 1 attribute has been covered. Now, candidate key plus 2 attributes. The leftover 2 attributes are salary and employee name, which is again a super key. Now, the rule was that minimal super key is the candidate key. Out of these 4 super keys, the minimal key is, that is, minimal means the minimum number of attributes in a super key is EID. This is the super key which has minimum number of attributes, which is also the candidate key. Hence, this rule holds. Second, EID plus salary, EID plus employee name, EID plus salary plus employee name are all super keys. Thank you so much for watching this video.